Connecting Xero with our debt resolution portal is simple. Here's a quick tutorial on exactly what you need to do. Head to our website and click on Login, which will bring you to the screen here. All you then need to do is put in your username and password. Forgotten your password? Not to worry. Click on that Forgot Your Password button and you'll be able to change it straight away. Put your details in and click on Login. That will take you to this page here. All you need to do is click on Load a Debt, accept our terms and conditions, and then click on Load from Xero. In the initial stages, you'll be taken to the Xero website where you'll need to log in there and also accept for EC Credit Control to use your company data. Once that's done, you'll see that all your invoices are loaded here from oldest to newest. Click on the invoices that you want to load, and then all you need to do is click on Submit. It'll start processing, and then you'll see a lovely little message at the bottom of the screen letting us know that your debts are loaded. If you want to see where your invoices are, scroll back to the top, click on View All Debts, and there you go. You'll see that your debt has been loaded there, and when you click in, the collection costs have been added to the total of the invoice. So there you go. It's as simple as that. But if you have any questions or you need any help whatsoever with loading your debts, please don't hesitate to give customer services a call, who will be more than happy to help you. We'll talk to you soon.